Before you walked through our door, we were already waiting for you.
We thought about how you might be nervous.
About how important this moment is to you.
We know because we've been here for years.
We are the ones who check on you before doctor arrives.
Who hold your hand when the room feels too white?
We chose this every day.
Not because it's easy,
But because you deserve to feel safe.
You deserve to feel seen.
Thank you for trusting us. We do not take that lightly, not even for a second.
We chose this.
I choose to be a nurse because helping people makes me all the time happy.
A simple "I trust you" from a patient is really powerful for us.
A good nurse, it means to be understanding and attentive in every details.
One of my patients told me that I really treated him like family.
I couldn't have done this without you. It's something that stays with me for a lifetime.
We chose this every day.